Wish you a very good morning, students. Today I am here with a new grammar topic, that is question words. So question words are those which ask question, and these are WH words like who, when, what, why, which, where, and these are called WH family words. So let us start with who. Who is used to ask about people. Who is your teacher? So in the answer of this question, there may be some people like Mrs. Meena is my teacher. So Mrs. Meena will be people. So this question asks about people. Who is your teacher? Who is going to school? The girl. Person. Okay, the girl who is going to school. Where? Where is used to ask about places. Where are the flowers? So here question is being asked about the place where are the flowers. You can answer it. The flowers are in the garden. Where does the fish swim? The fish swim in water. How? How is used to ask about descriptions or manner of doing something. How will you go to home? You can answer it by car. What? What is used to ask about objects. What are you going to buy? I am going to buy toys. When? When is used to ask about time. When do you eat dinner at night? Why? Why is used to ask about reason. Reason of something. Why are you eating food? Because I am hungry. Now see the use of do, does, did. Here in the affirmative sentence we have you speak English. When you will make interrogative of it, you can say it using do. Do you speak English? In the next sentence, they speak Spanish. You can frame the question, do you speak Spanish? Here again, he likes chocolate. Question will be framed like, does he like chocolate? One thing you need to care about, like while making questions, once you have already used s and es in the word does, so here in the verb, main verb, we will omit s. We will not use s here. Simply like will come here, right? She lives in England. Does she live in England? So here we have come to know with third person singular words we use s and es in affirmative sentences, but while making questions, while framing questions, we do not use s and es. We go to school. Do we go to school? Here questions can be framed like this. He goes to work. Does he go to work? Here again you can see goes has changed in go while making question. You have a dictionary. Do you have a dictionary? She has black hair. Does she have black hair? In the affirmative sentence we have said like this, she has black hair, but while making question we shall change has into have. Okay, in place of has, have will come there. Now see the use of am, is and are as questions. We make questions with am, is, are, or you can say with be, because these are the form of be in the present simple like this. In singular form will make the question saying like this, am I? You can say am I looking good? Are you? Are you my student? Is he? Is he Sita? Is he Tom? Sorry. Is she? Is she your daughter? Is it? Is it a black dog? You can see. Or is it your pen? Like in the plural words also, are we, are you, are they? This way sentences are framed. Here look at the examples again. When someone asks a question with am, is, are, we can give short answers also, like are you tired? We can answer it yes I am, or we can say no also. Okay, no, I'm not. Is he here? No, he is not here. One thing we need to care about, we cannot use a short form in affirmative short answers. Here are some more examples of questions and short answers. Am I late? Yes, you are. Or you can say no, you are not, or you aren't. Are you an Indian? Yes, I am. Or in negative answer, you can say no, I'm not. This way, questions are framed. Here are some examples of questions with SMR while and long answer, answering it in a long manner, long sentence. Am I late? No, you are on time. Are you from Delhi? No, I am from Mumbai. Is Anisha at home? No, she is at the school. Are you Indian or Austrian? We are Austrian. This way you have seen these are the ways of framing questions using WH family, do, does, did and is, am, are. Now we have another exercise of book. Now see, this is given on 15, page number 15. First of all, let us see part A. Tick the questions and circle the sentences. Here you need to find out which one are the questions and which one are the simple sentences. So you need to tick the questions. This is done for you and you have to circle the simple sentences. On next page, this is the reading part. And now on page 16, part B is given. Make questions by changing the position of underlined words and add a question mark to at the end. Like number 1 is Hanu is reading a book. When you will frame the question, it will become is Hanu reading a book, and at the end in place of full stop you will put a question mark. This way you have to do this exercise. Now on page 17 we have part C. Rearrange the words to make questions and remember to add question mark. Sana is of what the school name. So you have to rearrange the word. First of all, you have to make a meaningful interrogative sentence. What is the name of Sana's school? At the end you will put question mark. Number 2 is the stole jewels who? Who stole the jewels? This way you have to do. 4 sentences have been done for you. Another 4 you need to do yourself. This is your homework, and downside part D is also your homework, that is change the place of underlined words to make questions. So that's all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.